Hey everyone, this is Dr. Devin coming to you live with another Weiss Clinic Minute. In today's video, I want to talk with you all about your baby's second milestone and why this is so important for their brain development, for the foundation of their developing brain. So the second milestone that your baby should be hitting is rolling front to back and back to front. Okay, so it's often that I notice or parents tell me that their babies, they end up rubbing off the back of their hair as they try to move side to side. So babies intelligently, they know that this side to side movement is so important for their overall brain development. So when they move side to side, this stimulates the vestibular system of their inner ear, specifically the semicircular canals. So I don't want to get into the weeds with all the scientificness of all of that, but what that does is these semicircular canals, they're involved with turning and spinning. So what that does is it helps to solidify the cervical curve and to stabilize and strengthen the head hold. So if you picture us adults rolling on the floor, what we're going to do is we're going to stabilize our head, and that's why it's so important to get your kiddo rolling. So they need to be hitting this milestone by 4 months, and if they're not by, let's say, 6 months, then it's time to get this addressed and implement some strategies. So first, what they need to do is we need to see a pediatric chiropractor to assess for vertebral subluxation that may be impairing the actual movement pattern and proper motor development. And then second, what we need to do is we need to get these kiddos rolling. So one of my favorite exercises that I give parents to do with their babies that are struggling to roll is I tell these parents to place their baby on their bed on top of the comforter and picture mom and dad on either side of the bed. So have mom lift up one side of the comforter and then baby rolls to dad. And then dad picks up the comforter and then baby rolls back to mom. So we can make it a very fun activity and fun strategy to help to get baby rolling like they should be, to help develop the upper neck muscles and the neurology behind that, right? Now you can make this fun, everybody be laughing, and that's going to develop vagal tone, and we'll talk about all of that in a future episode of why vagal tone is so important as well. But getting babies rolling at that those early months of life is going to set up the foundation for brain development so that we have proper steps to build upon, okay? Now, if you missed my last video that I did on Monday, go back and rewatch that. That's your baby's first milestone as far as holding their head well and then properly performing a pull to sit test. So if you missed that one, I'll link it in the comments below. Otherwise, continue to watch these videos as I go through more milestones in next week's version of the Weiss Clinic Minute. So have a great weekend, y'all, and I look forward to talking with you all next week. Love y'all.